Hello, today I'm going to test out 20 different filaments from Buddy3D. It's all PLA filaments. PLA silk, PLA just normal, and PLA with glitter. And I tested out my normal test samples and my normal test objects for 3 different colors. But here is 2.5 kilo of test subjects that has been broken or torn apart. So it was quite a task to get those 20 filaments tested. It was like 800 test subjects that I went through my process, so it was quite a lot. But let's have a look at the prints and see how they look. So here are the print subjects. I'm gonna show you. And here is the green version. The green is the glitter one. It doesn't show very much on the camera, the glitter, but this has some glitter in it. This came out pretty good. The blue one is a normal PLA. That came out quite good as well. And the pink one is the silk PLA. And that's really shiny and it looks really nice. So nothing to complain about in this print. So here on the glitter version you can see a little bit of stringing. Not too much, but at least there is some. As well here on the normal one, but a little bit less. A little bit stringy here in between. And the silk one as well, just a little bit of stringing here in between. So there is not much stringing. Here are the cats. They came out pretty good. This is a glitter one. And the normal PLA came out really smooth. And the silk one, really shiny. So this is looking pretty good. For the overhangs, this one came out quite good. There is a little bit of issue here in the corner at 70 degrees for the glitter one. A little bit more issues here and here for the normal PLA one. So there's a little bit more drooping here in the corners. And for the silk one, I think that's the best one, but there's a little bit here in the corner. But I think overall this is the best one. And then my maker coins, they came out great. No issues with those. You can see this is the shiny one, the silk one. Then the Benzies, they all came out great. No issues here with the glitter one or the normal one. Just looks really nice. And the silk PLA as well, really nice. So no complaints about the print, but a little bit stringing in all filaments in this subject. But let's have a look at the measurements I did. It was quite a task to measure all 20 filaments for one video. So here to begin with is a tensile strength. Here the blue bars are the upright samples or the layer adhesion. And the orange ones are the flat printed. So that's the tensile strength. And here on the left side you can see all the silk filaments. Here in the middle you can see the normal PLA filaments. Then here it's a little bit cluttered, but you can see the glitter filaments here on the right side. So you can see how the silk filaments are a lot less layer adhesion. It's quite a bit difference between the other ones. And also for the tensile strength, and the silk one is a little bit weaker, but there is not so much difference between the normal PLA and the glitter PLA. Overall it's pretty similar, but there is one, the glitter blue has a very low layer adhesion for some reason, but all other ones on the tensile strength it's very similar. And here is the pink PLA, the winner. And then the glitter black PLA is the second. So this is it's quite a lot of difference between, like here from the pink one and the green one. The tensile strength is quite a lot different. So here is the impact strength. Here it's in the same order, the silk filaments on the left and the glitter on the right and the normal ones in the middle. Here the pearl blue normal PLA is much stronger than everybody else, and the glitter blue as well, quite good. and overall the upright strength for the silk filaments is not as good as the normal PLA, so there's a little bit different between those, but glitter or not glitter, it doesn't matter really much. And here's the purple PLA, that's a lot weaker than, for say, like the blue one, purple blue. So it's quite a variant between those two here in the middle. So that's a little bit surprising to see how much the color affects the strength. And here's the stiffness. All the silk filaments here on the left, they are very similar. Then on the normal ones and the glitter ones, there is a little bit more variance, but overall not much difference between the glitter and the non-glitter. And here is a glitter green PLA, the stiffest, and the purple normal one is the softest. So there is not much different, but measurable difference between the normal PLAs and the silk PLAs. So that's my video on these 20 different Buddy PLA samples I got. I bought this filament the other day when there was free shipping on the Prusa site, and I basically bought every possible color diff I could get my hands on that was on stock. So it was quite a task to test all those filaments, and took like 3 weeks of my time, different nights doing different things, but on the weekends mostly. But it took quite a while to do this testing. I hope you enjoy the results, and maybe tell me in the comments what's your favorite color and how it compared to the other ones. But this is gonna be it for this video, so I hope you will watch some other videos from me. So thank you very much. Thank you.